Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Counter-Strike Global Offensive game black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So let's follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to try this in launch options. So copy this code. I will provide this code in my video description. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Counter-Strike Global Offensive, then select properties, and in the launch options type this code -w space 1920 space -h space 1080, and then close the tab, launch the game and then check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type this code in the launch options and then close the tab, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties and in the launch option this time type -force-opengl and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then copy this code, go to game properties and then type -force-vulkan, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then you can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, go to game properties and here type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to game properties and this time type -dx12 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties and then remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website, and if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. A link is provided in my video description. You have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it, and then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then enter operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. So click on this agree and continue button, then select custom advanced option. So check mark this custom advanced option and then hit on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to lower in-game settings. So if you are able to launch the game, then try to lower graphic settings, video resolution, and then you can check. Next solution is to run the game from game installation folder or run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in the compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Counter-Strike Global Offensive and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now here you will see csgo exe file. First of all, double click this csgo exe file and try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here and then check. If that doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From drop down here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, then hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. and then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86, open Steam apps folder, common folder, then open the CSGO legacy game folder, and then select this CSGO exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back and then click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings and then click on allow another app, and then click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the CSGO legacy folder, and then select this CSGO exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version, and if you see repair option then click on repair, and if you see install button then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option then click on repair, and if you see install option then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and once your PC restart then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, CSGO legacy folder, and then select this CSGO exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and then next to GPU preference select the high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Counter-Strike Global Offensive and then select properties, then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So again open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties and then disable this option. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then turn it on and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix is to disable Discord overlay, disable Nvidia overlay, open Nvidia GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, Nvidia Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And after updating your Windows, just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Counter-Strike Global Offensive game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Counter-Strike Global Offensive black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.